Have your hands started tingling for no reason? Do your legs feel weaker than they used to, even when you haven't done anything different? Maybe it starts as a light pins and needles feeling in your fingers, or a strange heaviness in your thighs when you walk upstairs. At first you ignore it. You blame age. You say, "I probably just slept wrong." But the truth, these are not just normal signs of aging. They are your body's early warning signs, and they're pointing to something deeper, something that silently affects nearly every senior over 60. Collagen loss. Collagen isn't just for skin or beauty creams. It's the glue that holds your joints, nerves, and blood vessels together. It forms the cushion in your knees, the lining of your arteries, even the sheath around your nerves, the protective coating that helps signals travel from your spine to your fingers and toes. And here's the scary part. By age 65, you've already lost up to 30% of your natural collagen, without even realizing it. That's why your legs cramp more often, why your hands feel numb at night, why your knees creak when you stand up. It's not just getting older, it's collagen, disappearing quietly from the inside. And when collagen breaks down, so does your confidence, in your balance, in your strength, in your ability to move through life freely. But there's good news. You don't need expensive powders, pills, or injections. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on fancy collagen supplements, because nature already provides you with powerful tools to restore your collagen, directly through food. And today, you're going to discover the top 5 vegetables that boost collagen naturally. Vegetables that repair your nerve linings, strengthen your joints, and restore circulation to your legs and hands, starting from the inside out. Each one is backed by science. Each one is affordable, and most importantly, they work. Before we dive in, tell me this. Are your hands tingling, or are your legs getting weaker? Type hands or legs in the comments. I want to know what you are dealing with, and I read every reply. And if this is your first time here, welcome to It's Better Health, where we bring you powerful, natural solutions backed by science to help you stay sharp, mobile, and independent, no matter your age. Now, let's get started. Vegetable number 5. Spinach, the muscle and nerve repair. Leaf spinach might look like an ordinary leafy green, but inside each soft green leaf lies a powerful combination of nutrients that help rebuild what aging quietly takes away. And that starts with magnesium. Most seniors are dangerously low in this essential mineral. And when magnesium drops, collagen can't form properly. Nerves misfire, muscles cramp, and circulation slows to a crawl. But when you eat spinach regularly, you're feeding your body one of the most absorbable plant-based forms of magnesium found in nature. Magnesium plays 2 critical roles. 1, it triggers collagen-building enzymes, helping your body rebuild what it's lost. 2, it regulates muscle and nerve signals, calming down that restless leg feeling and stopping tingling in its tracks. But spinach doesn't stop there. It also delivers vitamin A, which repairs skin and nerve tissues, folate, which helps produce red blood cells and boosts energy, iron, which improves circulation, especially to your hands and feet. When these nutrients work together, you feel the difference. Stronger legs, less pins and needles, more stability when you move. In fact, a 2021 review in Nutrients Journal found that seniors who consumed magnesium-rich leafy greens like spinach had 20-30% fewer mobility complaints compared to those who didn't. So how should you eat it? Keep it simple. Toss it into a morning omelette. Add a handful to your soups, or eat it raw in a salad with olive oil and lemon. The goal isn't to force down giant portions, just make it part of your weekly rhythm. Because when you feed your body spinach, you're not just getting fiber. You're getting the raw tools to rebuild what age has tried to erase. Now, the next vegetable is even more surprising. It's small, often overlooked, and hides in plain sight in your kitchen. but it might just be the most powerful collagen activator on your plate. Vegetable number 4, parsley, the collagen stitcher. You probably think of parsley as just a garnish, a decoration on the side of your plate. But what if I told you that tiny green herb is one of nature's most powerful tools for stitching your collagen back together? Here's why. Parsley is loaded with vitamin C, not the kind from sugary gummies or fake chewables, but the real, bioavailable form your body actually uses. And vitamin C isn't just good for your immune system, it's essential for collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your body can't form collagen at all. And the collagen you do have, it becomes weak, disorganized, and falls apart. That's why seniors low in vitamin C often report joint stiffness, sagging skin, slow wound healing, and yes, tingling, burning, or pins and needles sensations in the hands and feet. Because when collagen weakens, the protective layer around your nerves and blood vessels starts to fray. But parsley helps reverse that. Vitamin C in parsley works like a natural sewing needle. It literally knits together collagen fibers, making them stronger, tighter, and more elastic. It also helps your body absorb iron, which is crucial for circulation, especially to your legs and extremities. And the antioxidants inside parsley? They reduce inflammation in the nerve endings, helping ease those strange buzzing or stinging sensations that seem to come out of nowhere. A 2022 study from the Journal of Herbal Medicine found that regular intake of fresh herbs like parsley significantly improved peripheral nerve function in adults over 60, especially when combined with a vitamin C-rich diet. And the best part? You don't need a lot. Parsley is incredibly potent in small amounts. Chop it and sprinkle it over soups. Blend it into smoothies. Add it to cooked lentils, beans, or roasted vegetables. Even just a tablespoon a day can make a difference. It's easy, it's affordable, and it's one of the simplest ways to reactivate your body's own collagen machinery. So the next time you see parsley on your plate, don't brush it aside. Eat it, because every leaf could be another step towards stronger joints, better circulation, and calmer hands. Up next is a leafy powerhouse. One that doesn't just build collagen, it protects it from breaking down. Let's talk about vegetable number 3, kale, the collagen protector. Kale isn't just a trendy food for health fanatics, it's a collagen-saving powerhouse, especially important for seniors over 60. Why? Because while some vegetables help build new collagen, kale does something just as important. It helps protect the collagen you already have from breaking down. You see, after age 60, your collagen is under constant attack. From free radicals, from chronic inflammation, and from poor circulation that starves your joints and muscles of nutrients. But kale fights back. It's loaded with vitamin K, a nutrient many older adults are shockingly deficient in. And that's a big problem, because vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood flow. When blood flow slows, collagen starves. When blood flows properly, collagen gets the nutrients it needs to survive. And kale delivers far more vitamin K than almost any other food, helping to keep your arteries flexible and open, so oxygen and nutrients can reach the legs, hands, knees, and spine. But kale doesn't stop there. It also contains a unique antioxidant called lutein. Most people associate lutein with eye health, and yes, it does protect your vision. But it also protects the collagen in your skin, joints, and even brain tissue from oxidative stress. The invisible rusting process that breaks collagen down faster than your body can rebuild it. And if you suffer from joint pain, arthritis, or stiffness in the knees or hips, kale has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers like CRP, which is directly linked to cartilage breakdown in seniors. So when you eat kale, you're doing more than just eating healthy. You're forming a protective shield around your joints and nerves. A 2020 study published in Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who consumed high vitamin K vegetables like kale had 30% less cartilage deterioration and reported fewer episodes of leg weakness. The best part? Kale is versatile. Sauté it with garlic and olive oil. Blend it into smoothies with apple and lemon. Bake it into crispy kale chips, or toss it into hearty soups and stews. Just don't overcook it. Gentle steaming or light sautéing keeps its nutrients intact. Bottom line, kale helps you hold on to the collagen you still have, while feeding your body the tools to make more. It's a double win, and for seniors battling leg weakness or nerve pain, it might be the turning point your body's been waiting for. But up next, we shift from leafy greens to a vegetable that's bright red, earthy, and powerful. It doesn't just support collagen, it turbocharges circulation, straight to your fingers, toes, and spine. Vegetable number 2, beets, the blood flow. Booster beets are bold. They stain your fingers. They stand out on the plate. But what most people don't realize is, beets are one of the most powerful circulation boosters on Earth. And when your circulation improves, everything gets better. Your nerves fire more clearly, your legs feel lighter, your hands stop tingling, and your body finally delivers the nutrients needed to rebuild collagen. Here's how it works. Beets are rich in natural nitrates. These aren't the bad nitrates found in processed meats. These are the good ones, the kind your body turns into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is like a magic key. It unlocks your blood vessels, telling them to relax and expand. And when that happens, blood flows, collagen gets fed, nerves get oxygen, healing begins. This is especially critical for seniors. As we age, blood vessels narrow and stiffen. That means less blood to your hands, feet, joints, and lower back. Less blood, thus less oxygen. Less oxygen, harsu, more pain, more numbness, and faster breakdown of collagen. But just one serving of beets can improve blood flow within hours. In fact, a 2019 study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily beet juice improved circulation and walking performance in adults over 65, even those with chronic leg pain. But circulation isn't the only benefit. Beets are also rich in betalains, a unique group of antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect collagen from being broken down by oxidative stress. They also contain small but meaningful amounts of vitamin C to stimulate collagen production, folate to support red blood cell formation, iron to carry oxygen to nerve endings and muscle fibers. And don't forget the digestive boost. Beets help support liver detoxification, which helps your body clear out the waste products that slow healing. So how do you add beets to your routine? Roast them with olive oil and rosemary. Juice them with carrots and lemon. Shred them raw into salads or slaws. Or mix cooked beets into hummus or dips. You don't need a mountain of them. Just a small serving a few times per week can revive circulation, reduce nerve discomfort, and feed the collagen engines hidden deep in your joints and tissues. And now, we've arrived at the most colourful vegetable of all. It's sweet, crunchy, and hides more collagen power than most people ever guess. Vegetable number 1, red bell peppers, the collagen igniter, bright, sweet, crunchy. Red bell peppers might seem like just another salad topping, but don't let their simplicity fool you. This is one of the most powerful collagen-supporting vegetables on the planet. And here's why. They're absolutely packed with vitamin C, more than an orange, more than a grapefruit. In fact, just one red bell pepper delivers over 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. And as we've already seen, no vitamin C times no collagen. Your body literally cannot make collagen without it. Not for your skin, not for your joints, not for your blood vessels, and definitely not for the protective lining around your nerves. That's why seniors low in vitamin C often feel tingling in the hands or feet, muscle weakness, poor wound healing, sagging skin, and early signs of mobility loss. But red bell peppers help turn the tide. Their vitamin C content acts like a collagen switch, flipping your body into rebuilding mode. They also contain a group of powerful antioxidants called carotenoids, specifically beta-carotene, capsaicin, and luteolin. These compounds do three amazing things. They protect your existing collagen from free radical damage. They reduce inflammation in joints and nerve endings. They support sharper vision and healthier skin, both of which rely heavily on strong collagen networks. A 2021 study in Antioxidants Journal found that carotenoid-rich vegetables like red bell peppers slowed collagen breakdown by 29% in older adults, especially when combined with a vitamin C-rich diet. And that's not all. Red bell peppers also contain small amounts of vitamin E for nerve protection, vitamin B6 to support muscle coordination, folate for healthy blood flow. Together, these nutrients work to reduce numbness, improve leg strength, and enhance circulation from head to toe. So how should you eat them? Slice them raw as a crunchy snack. Dice them into omelettes or stir-fries. Blend them into soups or roasted pepper hummus. Or stuff them with quinoa, lentils, or lean protein for a hearty meal. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Because every time you eat red bell peppers, you're not just satisfying a craving. You're activating one of the most important healing systems in your entire body. You're rebuilding collagen from the inside out. Now that we've revealed all five, final conclusion: rebuild your strength, one vegetable at a time. So there you have it. The truth is, tingling hands, weak legs, and aching joints are not just part of getting older. They're signals that your body is losing the very substance that holds it together: collagen. And while most people turn to expensive powders or synthetic pills, you now know the real solution has been in your kitchen all along. Let's recap. Spinach, to fuel nerve repair and relax stiff muscles; parsley, to ignite collagen production and ease inflammation; kale, to protect your existing collagen and boost blood flow; beets, to unlock circulation and send nutrients to your joints; red bell peppers, to supercharge collagen from every direction. These aren't superfoods for athletes. These are everyday vegetables for real people. Over 60, seniors who want to move freely, stand strong, and live without pain. You don't have to eat them all at once. Start small. Pick one. Add it to your routine this week, because every little bite matters. Every serving of spinach, every sprinkle of parsley, every roasted beet or sautéed kale leaf. They're not just feeding your body, they're restoring it. They're helping you rebuild the scaffolding that holds up your joints, the padding that cushions your knees, the fibers that keep your nerves calm, and the structure that gives your legs power, coordination, and balance. The sooner you start, the sooner you feel the difference, and the more consistently you eat these collagen-boosting vegetables, the more your body will respond, with smoother movement, better circulation, and fewer of those frustrating mystery pains that come out of nowhere. Because healing doesn't always come in a bottle. Sometimes it comes from your plate. Now tell me this: which of these vegetables do you already eat? And which one will you add this week? Comment below. I read and reply to as many as I can. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to It's Better Health. Hit the like button and share this with a friend or family member who's struggling with joint pain or nerve symptoms. Because sometimes, one vegetable is all it takes to start feeling strong again. Here's to living stronger, longer, and saying goodbye to tingling hands and weak legs for good.